Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, oh my holy God. Hi guys, Stephen, I fought for my foot fortune, creating fortunes for the future. Today is the 2nd of September 2024. Firstly, do subscribe to my YouTube video. I already got 970 subscribers. I need to hit, say, 1,000 subscribers. And of course, thank you to the 970 subscribers. I really love you, appreciate you. And thank you for enjoying some of my video. And today, also like my video. And there should be a link below this video down the bottom here for you to subscribe to my YouTube video. You've been doing me a huge favor. Today we're going to talk a bit more about trading. I've taken on this project, trading on the stock financial markets. And these are the results so far since, it's the date, 30th, that's last Friday when the market was open. And you can see them, hold on, let me take a look at the dates. The dates here are quite evident of the fact we have been trading pretty well using these platforms. This particular platform is called VT Markets, and there should be a link below this video also if you want to join and come and start making money on the financial markets. And I can probably show you some strategy you can practice first. Don't ever spend any money before you do any practices to see if you know how to handle or navigate through these trading platforms. There is a lot of money to be made on these trading platforms, of course, but you need to be able to learn where to click, where to get the signals, and when to buy or open up opening positions. As you can see, these are my results, of course, from the last trading days. And today is Monday, and we're going to continue trading. Some of these trades here, I had to take it out on a stop loss. But of course, the most productives have been these latest profit that was taken. And as you can see, today's market, it hasn't really kicked off, and the time now is 11:44 here in New Zealand, and it's pretty early, and people are still trying to figure out what's happening in the next week or so because of the last weekend. But more importantly, one of the most important things that you got to understand when you're wanting to trade on a financial market is that you got to have what it's called a signal provider. In this case, we're using investing.com. Investing.com is very, very well profiled, and it's got all the tools and indicators to help you navigate or look through, do your analytical processes before you make your open trade. In this particular case, I've been using Bollinger Line, MACD, and Sadosh RSI. These are the three signals that I'm using, and they're very simple to use. Now, just to give you a bit of an explanation, all I'm doing is watching the RSI. When it comes below the support line down below here, that's when I can make an open trade of going up. That's a buy trade. And at this position now, it's just gone past the sell position. It's gone below the resistance line up the top there. But the look of MACD, this market for today, it's going up a little while yet. Also indicated by the Bollinger Line. The price range is above the moving average line, the red line here, which suggests it's going to continue to go up, shown by the MACD before it reaches its resistance, then it will come down again. They're pretty simple sort of signal to use, and if you're going to want to follow me, there should be a link below this video with my Telegram ID for you to get hold of me and just ask you to show you some ideas how to start. And using a demo account is very, very, very important. Now you need to be able to use a demo account to be able to learn how to trade. Do not spend money on these processes or these trading accounts until you have made money like myself here on a demo account first, before you can even consider making money or transferring some money to make some real income. Now, you got to be consistent, just like what I'm showing here on your demo account. If you're consistent, that means you got a good strategy, you are disciplined, and you know exactly when to get in and get out after you purchased a trade or open a trade. Of course, you're going to get some losses. That's part of life. But if you can maintain making profits like what I'm making here, day in, day out, then you know you got the confidence, you got a good strategy, you're disciplined, and you know exactly what you're doing. Then, of course, you can most certainly start transferring some real money into, say, VT market to begin your journey. But otherwise, it's pretty simple. Stay focused is the key. Stay positive is the key, and start believing that what you're going to get into is going to help you make a lot of money. And it's a pretty simple process. You don't have to complicate it, but it is complicated in the beginning to start. But if you begin, as I said, get yourself a demo account, sign up to VT Market. There should be a link below this video, of course. Use the demo account first. And you might be doing this for 3 or 4 months, just trading on the demo account, just to familiarize yourself with the platform, of course. And of course, using the charts to help you gauge where the market is going or with the asset that you want to trade with. And basically, all I'm using these days is silver, XAG against the US, and most times I use also gold. But if you're low in income, XAG, which is silver, against the US, it would be probably a pretty good asset or a button to use to begin your journey. But anyway, if you need any more information, hit me on Telegram, ask me a few questions, and hopefully we can work together and guide you in the right directions. But anyway, I'm just showing you the results of what my account has been proven, that the strategy that I am applying at this point in time seems to be working. And of course, there'll be real money accounts that I will be showing you in a later date as I begin that next part of the journey. But it is important. Remember, practice is most important. Nobody gets anything in life unless you do a lot of practice. Even when you do become a professional, practice is still maintained to a certain high degree. So in all fairness, you need to stay focused, and practice is the key. Just practice, get a demo account and start practice. Use some of the strategy that I will apply or I will suggest and test it out. But there are a lot of strategies out there that you can certainly use to try and trade. Pick the one that you are familiar with, you're comfortable with, and you know how it works, and just keep repeating it. And you'd be surprised how easy it is. Because the market, it will always be there, and all we're really doing is following the market. Because we're small players, we're following the big players when they come on the market. Here's a massive correction here just before it opened, clean out the rubbish perhaps, and the market of the day has showing a little bit of flat line, but nothing to worry about. If you're really good, I can teach you how to use the flat line just to make money. I mean, it's not flat line, but you can use these high and high lows to make a bit of money, even if the market is not as productive as should be. It is a little bit risky, but you can navigate it through it with small trades. Small trades can give you all the edge that you probably need at that point of time. But otherwise, trade successfully. Come and join us. We love you. God loves you. We'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.